In this video, we're going to cover the Receive Mail Expert module. It is particularly helpful when searching for a specific email or multiple emails from an inbox. Thanks to this module, you can constrain your search using multiple factors and steer the results of your research. This is very helpful if, for example, we want to test the functionality of an online service that sends email that should contain particular subjects, bodies, attachments, or recipients. Like the other mail standard modules, the Receive Mail Expert module is available with the Tosca standard subset. To access this module, you will need to either import the standard subset or create a new workspace, checking the option to use a workspace template and then locate the standard subset. The Receive Mail Expert module is located in the Module section under Standard Modules, T-Box X Engines, Mail. To use the module, simply drag and drop it into your test case or add it with the shortcut Ctrl+T. To verify emails using this module, your test case will need to have connected to the mail server with the Connect to Mail Server module. So let's assume we've already done that and proceed to fill in the test step values for our Receive Mail Expert test step. For the connection name value, you will specify the connection that you have defined in the previous test step while connecting to the server. After this, we'll specify our search criteria. In this case, we will specify the sender address, from address, and the recipient address, to. Also, we will specify the time interval we want Tosca to limit the search to. Out of all the emails that fit these criteria, we're looking for 2 specific emails. Therefore, we also want to check that only 2 emails match all specified criteria. And to do so, we verify the result count. For the first email, we'll set the time interval. And specify the person that should be in CC. Along with this, the options from name, from address, to, subject, body, to date, time are also available to consider as either search or verification criteria. For this particular email, we will then buffer the subject line and save any possible attachments to our local drive. For the second email, we will constrain our search using both the subject and the body of the email. We will then verify that a specific file is attached to the email. And if all the conditions are met, we will then proceed and delete the email. Alright, so this was a quick example of what you can do using the Receive Mail Expert module. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.